You want to learn to make authentic Jamaican Bulgur porridge? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Here, I have a pack of bulgur. I'm going to put 2 cups to soak in water for 15 minutes. Going to add 4 cups of water to it. Now I'm just going to cover the bulgur and set it aside for 15 minutes. Here, I have a pot of water boiling and this is 4 cups of water. Going to add 3 cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves. Going to use 1 can Grace coconut milk. To the pot, I'm going to add the coconut milk. So it is already 15 minutes. Going to strain off the water of the bulgur. Now I am going to add the bulgur to the pot. Going to stir it. I am going to make it boil for 20 minutes. So it is already 20 minutes since the bulgur porridge on the stove boiling. Now I am going to sweeten the porridge. First, I'm going to add half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, now I am going to add 1/3 cup sweet condensed milk. Here you have it, my people. Authentic Jamaican Bulgur porridge. Going to turn off the stove. Look at this. Nice and tasty.